Here's what you missed this weekend in the world of real estate. Commercial real estate brokerages are preparing for a rough road ahead as declines in property sales and leasing eat into their profits. CBRE, JLL, Colliers, and Cushman & Wakefield, among others, are moving forward with cost-cutting measures including layoffs. Symbolic of the tough times, the iconic but vacant Flatiron Building is heading to auction to end a long-standing dispute among its owners. The Brooklyn office market looks equally bleak. While the vacancy rate held at about 21% in 2022, net absorption in the fourth quarter crashed from around 279,500 square feet in 2021 down to 950 square feet at the close of 2022. In further evidence of commercial distress in Los Angeles, Laguna Point Properties is delinquent on a $329 million loan it used to buy a portfolio of more than 1,000 LA apartments less than a year after securing the debt. Meanwhile, Texas saw commercial construction projects total $70 billion, or 20% of the commercial real estate spending in the nation last year. And as a result of the deadly Surfside condo collapse, South Florida is seeing spiking insurance costs and fewer insurers writing policies, which could lead to condo owners selling their units at significant discounts. For more headline real estate news, subscribe to TheRealDeal.com and follow us at The Real Deal.